Hey, what is up my guys? So today I'm back with the next video, and today I want to talk about 2020 Black Friday deals on iPhones and iPad. So if that's something you're into, let's stay tuned in this video. So I'm going to talk about the best deals on iPad and iPhones for 2020 Black Friday. So as you guys know, a lot of tech stuff have come out for Apple this year, whether it be new Macs, new iPads, new iPhones, or new watches. I don't think there was a new AirPods. I think the AirPods Pro came out this year. I'm not sure, but either way, we got a bunch of new iPhones. I think 4 new iPhones in total: the Mini, the 12, the 12 Pro, and the 12 Pro Max. So here are the deals on iPhones and iPad. So you can save up to $900 on the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro models at Best Buy if you have qualified trading and activation. Also, Best Buy is offering iPhone SE at a starting price of $200 if you're trading an iPhone 7 or newer model and have a qualified activation. And for the iPad, the 11-inch iPad Pro, the 2020 model, that's the latest model with 128 gigabyte of storage, is $730 at Amazon. The usual price is $800. This sale is also available on Best Buy, so you can either go on Best Buy or Amazon, either one you prefer. You might have a gift card for Amazon, you might have a gift card for Best Buy, who knows. And you can also get a 2020 iMac Pro, not iMac, iPad Pro with 256 gigabyte of storage for $800 at Amazon. The usual price for that is $899, which is about $900 if you round it off. This deal is also available at Best Buy. So those are it, guys. Those are the 4 best deals you can find on iPhone and iPads. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I will leave links, direct links for them, so you can go to them and shop. You should shop if you want, especially a new iPhone SE or a new iPhone 12 or a 12 Pro. The 12 is really good. I'm talking from personal experience. The 12 is really good, and the Pro is also good. The whole 12 series is really good. So if that's something you're into, check it out. If you always want, even though I don't see any deals on iPhone 12 mini, which I was hoping that they have deals on iPhone 12 mini, I'm guessing because they came out kind of the other day, like 2 weeks ago or less. I'm guessing that's why they didn't like put out like a discount for them as yet, because they came out like 2 weeks ago. So why would they discount them already? People who pre-order them would be feel like, so what do you call it, they would feel like so disrespect, because they would say, oh, I just spent $900 on this phone, I could save $100 later. Like, why didn't it just the price at that, the starting price at that, and just let me get it for cheaper and all those stuff? I would be upset, to be honest. So that's it, guys. Stay tuned for more video. I will be doing a video on Mac deals, so stay tuned for that. And also I'll be doing a video on AirPods deal, so you guys can stay tuned for that also. And also Apple Watch deals and Beats deals. So I will link those above, link those in the bottom of the description. I will link those above. Also the links to the deals will be in the description, so just stay tuned for that if that's something you're into. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.